Ever dreamed of living and working in Australia? In 2025, getting your foot in the door just got a little more interesting thanks to the Ballot visa system. Let me break it down for you, step by step. First up, the Work and Holiday Visa, subclass 462. If you're from India, China, or Vietnam and aged between 18 and 30, this could be your ticket. You'll need a valid passport from your country. And for Indians, that means your PAN card, too. Never held this visa before? Perfect. Just make sure you meet the health, character, and education criteria, plus have decent English skills and enough funds to support yourself. Here's the twist. Australia is using a ballot or lottery system to manage the huge demand for these visas. Registrations kicked off on June 24, 2025, and closed July 15th. But don't worry, if you missed the first round, more selections are happening all the way through April 30th, 2026. All you have to do is register online through IMI account during the registration period and pay the AUD 25 ballot fee. If you get picked, you've got 28 days to apply for your visa, so keep an eye on your inbox. There's more. If you're from specific Pacific countries or Timor-Leste, the Pacific Engagement Visa, subclass 192, works the same way, via a ballot. And for talented early career professionals from India, the new Mates Visa, subclass 403, also uses a ballot process. So what's your next step? Mark those key dates, get your documents ready, and register when the window opens. Australia's ballot visas could be your gateway to adventure, work, and a new chapter. Good luck and don't let the chance slip by.